Welcome students. Today we will study drop cap in MS Word. As the definition goes, this effect allows us to capitalize the first letter of the paragraph to the height of 2 or 3 lines. Students, open up your English textbook. You will observe that in every lesson, the first letter of the first paragraph is capitalized and is of height of 2 to 3 lines. Some of the examples are displayed here. These are some steps to use drop cap. First of all, we will select the first alphabet of the paragraph. Then we will click on Insert tab. Third, we will select drop cap option from text group. As shown in the image above, the options are none, dropped, and in margin. Lastly, we will select the appropriate option. Steps will be demonstrated in video. This video demonstrates steps to use drop cap. As we know, first step is to select the first alphabet of the paragraph. Here we select I alphabet of the paragraph. Then click on Insert tab. So we click on the Insert tab. Then we select Drop cap option from text group. This is text group and we will click on Drop cap option. Here, first option we will select on the option dropped. And students, you can see the result. The alphabet I has been capitalized and its height is up to 3 lines. Now, if we select in margin option from drop cap, then you can observe the result. The alphabet I is capitalized and is contained in the document's margin. Alternatively, if we want to remove the selected drop cap, we can click on option None. This is how we use drop cap in MS Word.